Hello, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here with the FXAce.com, and I am back again with my one of my favorite Forex setups for the week ahead. In this video, I'm going to show you the actual setup, where I'm looking to take the entry, the reasons why. Yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so you actually get the entry requirements. And as always, trade at your own risk. This is just what I am doing. Okay, so if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into the charts. This week we are going to be looking at a possible sell order on the Swiss franc Japanese yen, okay, which has been rallying pretty hard in recent weeks. This video we're going to show you why I'm looking to sell this. Okay, if you're new to my channel and aren't too sure the way I trade the markets, I take a top-down approach, whereas I start on the monthly charts and I look for buy and sell areas on the monthly, weekly charts. You could call them support, resistance, and plan demands. Just areas on the higher time frames where major players, institutional, large smart money is going to be into the market and look to come into the market. Okay, so let's look at first off the monthly charts here. Okay, so you can see the market's been rallying pretty hard this month, October. Okay, and what I'm looking at here, okay, this is the start of this. Just gonna okay, zoom out. Okay, so this was the leg down from 2015, more or less the start of 2000 and the middle of 2017. Okay, then the market started to move sideways. The monthly charts you can see here, and now we're starting to trace back up this leg here towards the top. Okay, I do expect it at some point to make its way back up here. I think this is the all-time high. Okay, so what I'm looking at here is looking for kind of pauses in the market also, and we can see it here. Okay, this kind of pause on the monthly charts here, and we'll get a closer look on the weekly charts at that now. Okay, and you can see we can just see a newly created monthly level here. Okay, that's created last week. Okay, a monthly level being that it takes out a previous high in the trend, which it has here. Okay, this is the leg up. The market then takes out this high here, and we are at this level now. Okay, so as you can see, we're coming into this blue area on the monthly charts. Okay, and we'll zoom into the weekly charts now. And what we can see on the weekly charts here is inside this monthly area that I identified, we can see the top of the leg there. Okay, we can see the swing high that actually created this swing low. Okay, a level that I constitute as a level is a swing high. Okay, you can see the swing high that actually creates a new swing low in a trend down. Okay, and vice versa for an uptrend. Okay, a swing low that creates a new swing high and an uptrend. Okay, and you can see this swing high created this new swing low here. Okay, that constitutes a level. You can see in the swing low here, pops up, creates a swing high, and then this swing high creates a new swing low. So this constitutes as a level also. Okay, and that's exactly where the markets are now. Okay, at this level here. And it actually popped up through that level. Okay, and more or less hit the top level there. Okay, so what I'm looking for now inside this area, okay, we're inside a possible selling zone. Okay, both on the weekly and monthly charts. Okay, both on the weekly and monthly charts. Okay, we'll zoom into the daily charts here now. And what I'm looking for now is evidence that price action is slowing down. This has been a pretty extensive move up. You can see the outline of this yellow line is the outline of that first weekly zone. I do suspect this could be a stop punt just above this level, and the market will drop down maybe towards this area here before moving back up to test the 125 or so area. Okay, could be wrong. The market could swing low and then swing high up here and into that level this week. Okay, again, I'm not too fussed. If I do get stopped out in this position, I will enter again higher up because it is a really good setup. But what I'm looking for now is evidence of price. We're inside these areas. Evidence of price action is slowing down. Okay, first off, we're going to look at the daily charts. I don't have any divergence signals. I don't really have. What I can see is a change of structure here. Okay, if we look at this level, if we look at this move up here, you can see it's just more or less just straight up. Okay, and towards the top of the move, you start seeing the kind of different candles here, difference in price action. Okay, you can start seeing this. I think it was last Tuesday. Okay, price action pushed up and then pushed down again. Okay, you start seeing sellers coming into the market compared to these candles here, where it's just all buyers all the way up. Okay, you can start seeing sellers starting to come into the market here. Also, you have this doji indecision spinning top candle here that was created on Thursday. Okay, and then on Friday you have a continuation of a downtrend on this. Okay, so that is telling me that sellers are starting to come into the market at an area of interest. Okay, we'll zoom into the 4-hour charts and you can see instantly in the 4-hour charts what we see here. Okay, we're getting a nice rounded top here. We also are getting a sideways movement as it hits this area. Okay, what we're also getting is the main thing that I look out for is divergence signals. Okay, and that is happening right now as we can look at the amount of divergence signals on the 4-hour charts here. This is a very, very good setup. Okay, now let's get into the actual order. Okay, what I'm expecting to happen on Monday. Okay, I expect the market maybe come up to here. Okay, and basically sorry, hit 124, just pop up over 124 again, maybe 124 for 4200, and then the rest of the week it will sell off. This is really good price action for a sell off. It's actually a nice round on top. Divergent signals. You see we're in an area of interest on the higher time frames. This is a really good opportunity to sell the Swiss franc Japanese yen. Okay, there's two approaches to this. Okay, you can enter the pending order, or basically you can enter when the market's open on Sunday and get in a little bit early. Okay, so the actual setup, let's get into the setup, is sell CHF JPY at 124.2, or if you want to be more risk, take a little bit more risk, you can just simply enter them in the market's open, because we've already got the divergence signals or on the 4-hour chart, so we've already got evidence of price action is slowing down. You're a bit more risk averse, you can wait for the pending order to get triggered, but you may miss out on the order on the position. Okay, so or enter when market's open, 1 hour after markets open. Okay, very simple. Stop loss. Okay, going to 130 pips on this stop loss at 125.5, and take profit. I'll show you where I'm looking to take profit here at the minute. We're going to say 120. Okay, take profit. 120. Okay, when this pair does drop, after this can drop 2, 3, 400 pips pretty easily, as we've seen. I think it was in May or June this year. Okay, and break even. Okay, break even simply means when price goes to the break even price that I give you here, which will be 123. Simply close 50% of your position, move your stop loss to entry price, and allow the rest of the trade to work out to the end of the week, or if you want to hold it longer. Okay, so that's the setup. The way I trade the markets is I'll open on a Monday and I'll ride the position all the way through to the end of the week. Sometimes I might close on a Thursday, or if it's going pretty well, I'll close earlier. Okay, but this position here will open on the Monday or Sunday, depending where you are in the world, I'm in Asia, so it's a Monday morning here, and close at the end of the week, which will be Friday and the end of the month. Okay. Also, come to the end of the month, so this is likely to get a good sell off. Take profit. The reason I'm looking to take profit is, okay, we can see we've got an area here in the daily charts where we had a huge rally up from there, and okay, that is the longer term take profit. This could just drop all the way down to there, and if we look at the weekly charts, that's exactly where it is there. Okay, the area where the price rocketed up off from, which is there around the 120 mark. Okay, and there is another slight daily level there. You can see the pause in the market. You can see this rally, pause, rally. Okay, so the market, if it is a strong trend, we could see this drop down to 122 and then take off. So going to be looking carefully this week at these areas. But that is the position. That's why I'm looking to enter this trade this week. Again, trade at your own risk. If you want to get access to my full list of trade setups, simply click the link below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and share. And yeah, have a fantastic trading week. Well over to fxace.com.